Are you a beginner guitarist struggling to find your rhythm? Do you dream of effortlessly strumming along to your favorite songs, but find yourself frustrated with the lack of progress? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this article, we will guide you through essential strumming techniques that will help you develop a solid foundation and get your groove on. So grab your guitar and let's dive in. The importance of strumming technique. Before we delve into the various strumming techniques, it's crucial to understand why mastering this skill is so important. The way you strum sets the tone for any song and creates its unique rhythm. It adds depth and emotion to your playing, allowing you to connect with both the music and your audience on a deeper level. Understanding rhythm. Rhythm forms the backbone of music, giving it structure and coherence. As a beginner guitarist, developing a strong sense of rhythm is vital. Start by tapping your foot or clapping along with songs to internalize their beat patterns. This practice will help train your ear and body coordination. Downstrokes. The foundation. Downstrokes are the simplest form of strumming technique where you strike only in one direction, downwards across all strings simultaneously using either your thumb or pick, plectrum. This basic technique lays the foundation for more complex patterns down the line. Upstrokes. Adding variety. Once comfortable with downstrokes, it's time to introduce upstrokes into your repertoire. Upstrokes involve striking upwards across all strings while still maintaining a consistent rhythm pattern. Alternate strumming. Finding balance. Alternate strumming involves combining both downstrokes and upstrokes in an alternating fashion, starting with a downstroke followed by an upstroke and repeating the pattern. This technique adds a dynamic feel to your playing and allows you to create more intricate rhythms. Palm muting. Adding texture. Palm muting is a technique where you lightly rest the edge of your palm against the strings near the bridge, dampening their vibration. This technique adds texture and depth to your strumming, creating a mellow and percussive sound. Accents. Making it pop. Accents are an excellent way to emphasize certain beats within a rhythm pattern, adding emphasis and dynamics to your playing. By striking certain beats harder than others, you can make specific notes or chords stand out in your strumming. Syncopation. Breaking the mold. Syncopation refers to accenting off beats or unexpected parts of a measure instead of following traditional downbeat patterns. This rhythmic variation creates tension and excitement in your strumming, making it more interesting and engaging for both you and your listeners. Strumming patterns. Unlocking creativity. Once you have mastered these essential techniques individually, it's time to explore various strumming patterns that combine them all together. Experiment with different combinations of downstrokes, upstrokes, accents, palm muting, and syncopation. This is where creativity truly shines. Practice makes perfect. Learning any new skill requires consistent practice over time. Guitar playing is no exception. Set aside dedicated practice sessions each day focusing on these essential strumming techniques. Start slow with simple songs or exercises until you feel comfortable before gradually increasing speed and complexity. In conclusion, mastering essential strumming techniques is crucial for beginner guitarists looking to develop their skills further while finding their groove along the way. By understanding rhythm, practicing downstrokes and upstrokes alternately, incorporating accents and syncopation into our playing, and experimenting with various strumming patterns, we can unlock our creativity and truly connect with the music we love. So, pick up your guitar, embrace the journey, and let your strumming skills soar.